Do you want to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status? You can post an Insta Reel video on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, find and open the reel you want to share. You can share either your own video or someone else's. Now, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. A new screen will appear with sharing options. Tap on WhatsApp status from the list of options. If you do not see the WhatsApp status option here, please first update your application to the latest version. You will now enter the WhatsApp status editor screen where you can edit the video, add text, emojis, or drawings. Once you're ready to post, tap on the send icon at the bottom right. Now, the Instagram Reel has been successfully shared with your WhatsApp status, and it will be visible to your contacts for the next 24 hours.